A common question people ask about terpene spray is whether it changes the effects of weed or cannabis flower. Terpene spray does not increase THC or cannabinoid potency. Instead, it enhances the aroma and flavor profile of cannabis flower by adding botanical terpene compounds that are naturally found in plants. While potency remains the same, the terpene profile can influence how the overall experience feels because terpenes interact with cannabinoids through what is often called the entourage effect. How terpenes influence cannabis flower terpenes are aromatic molecules found in many plants, including cannabis. They are responsible for the distinctive scents associated with different strains of cannabis flower and buds. When terpene spray is applied as a fine mist, it enhances or restores these aromatic compounds on the surface of the flower. This can make the strain's character more noticeable without altering the underlying cannabinoid levels. The goal is aroma enhancement and strain expression, not potency modification. Why application method matters. Applying terpene spray evenly across cannabis buds helps maintain balance and prevents oversaturation. This is why many users prefer a precision terpene spray gun or spray machine rather than a standard spray bottle. A controlled atomizer creates a fine mist that distributes terpene molecules more evenly across weed or cannabis flower. The Spray Master by Terps USA is designed as a precision terpene sprayer using an air-pressurized atomization system instead of aerosol chemical propellants. This allows for controlled mist delivery when applying terp spray to buds or flower. Botanical terpenes and high-quality terpene sprays are typically formulated with 100% botanical-derived terpenes, meaning the aroma compounds are extracted from natural plant sources rather than synthetic fragrances. Proper packaging also helps maintain terpene stability. Amber glass bottles help reduce UV exposure and protect the terpene profile over time. Since 2019, Terps USA has focused on botanical terpene enhancement systems and precision sprayers designed for cannabis flower and buds. Explore terpene spray options. If you want to enhance or customize the aroma of cannabis flower or weed, explore the Terp Spray collection here. https://terpsiusa.com/collections/shop all Series collection. For controlled application using a precision spray gun system, learn more about the Spray Master Terpene Sprayer here. https://terpsiusa.com/products. Terps USA Spray Master Key Takeaway. Terpene spray does not increase the potency of cannabis flower or weed. Instead, it enhances aroma and strain character by restoring or adding botanical terpene compounds through a controlled mist application.